All right, let's just get this out of the way right now. Everyone is psychic. Yes, even you. I know a lot of people think being psychic is something you're born with, or something you have, or something you don't have. Like it's only for special people, or the aunt who happens to know everything. And if you're new to my channel, real quick, my name is Brandy Burrow. I am a psychic development coach, and I just live for teaching everyone that they too are psychic and can develop their abilities and do readings. Back to being psychic. The truth is, intuition is built into all of us. Being psychic is just using your intuition on purpose and practicing it. Think of it like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. The reason some people feel disconnected from their intuition, it's not because they're not gifted. It's because nobody ever showed them how to develop it. A lot of people are taught to doubt their gut feeling or overthink everything or explain away all those little nudges that they feel. Like when you have kind of a vivid dream and it really stands out to you, or when you just get a gut instinct about something, or you know who's texting you before you look at your phone. Those things, those are all your intuition working. You already are psychic, you just don't realize it yet. When I first started reading cards and developing my abilities, trust me, I did not feel psychic. I was wondering if I was just totally making it up. But what changed for me was learning how to use psychic tools such as tarot, such as the pendulum, practicing with them, and then seeing how accurate those messages really were. And this is why I teach psychic development, because nobody talks about this in a down-to-earth, beginner-friendly way. So if you're curious about exploring your gifts or just learning how to read cards for yourself, I have classes that'll help you get started the easy way, and you won't have to memorize all 78 tarot cards. You can check those out in the description below. I will drop the links there. So yes, you are psychic. You don't have to be born at the perfect time or in a magical bloodline. You are psychic and you can access your intuition. You just have to start noticing it, trust it, and practice using it on purpose. If you want help figuring out your own psychic style or strengths, I offer the Psychic Audit reading, which I will drop a link below to order. The Psychic Gift Audit breaks down your astrology chart and shows you how you're naturally wired to work with psychic energy. I'll leave that link below too if you want to check it out. All right, let me know in the comments below. Do you feel like you've had psychic or intuitive experiences? Or are you just getting started? Or are you wondering what it might look like for you? I'd love to hear all about it. Or just drop me an emoji for support. Drop a heart, drop a star.